Hello and welcome to Nigel's Workbench. On the workbench today we have the Philips CM8833 Mk2, and I've done all the recapping, which includes two capacitors on the neck board and two which you can't, one that you can't see on the speaker board. So this is the first time I've turned it on since I've done the recap. So let's see what happens. Well, no magic smoke, so that's a good start. So now I need to connect something up to it to give it a proper test. Okay, bear with me. Right, let's give the Philips monitor a test with an Amiga 500 with a Pi Storm in it. This has also got a Gotek, so I'll just switch on the Amiga. Takes a little while to boot to get to the RGB screen. Here we go. We go to utilities, we can load up Amiga test kit. There's F10, rebooting. Okay, we'll do the where's the video? Video's F6. Trying the monitor on my Checkmate Amiga. This is through the phono sockets.